Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I have some quick tips and tricks for first-time LucidLink users. And for those long-time users, stick around, you may learn something new. First up, file names. Lucid can be picky about what you call your files and folders. The most common problem is the space after the file name. This is annoying because Lucid won't tell you what's wrong, just that the operation cannot be completed. Luckily, the fix is easy. Just delete the space. These other characters, like the question mark and star, will also give you issues. Tip 2, mount points. Did you know that you can modify the name of the Lucid drive? It's not tied to your account name, and you don't have to leave it as the default. Using mount point global settings, you can set this to anything you'd like. I highly recommend doing this so when you have multiple file spaces mounted at the same time, Premiere won't be confused on where to find the media, as all the drives will not be named the same. You can even match the Mac and Windows paths to be as close as possible. If they are this close, Premiere won't have any issues linking projects between operating systems. Note, you need to be logged in as the root account to change this globally. Otherwise, you are just changing this for yourself. Tip 3, project locking. LucidLink fully supports project locking in Premiere Pro. This function locks projects from being overwritten when two users have the same project open at the same time. To enable this, go to Collaboration, Project Locking, and check the box. Next time someone tries to open the same file while you have it open, they can open it but not modify it. You'll see this message on screen and a red lock in the project bin. Caution, After Effects does not have that feature yet. Tip 4. LucidLink offers a host of terminal commands that lets you see things you cannot see in the app. My favorite is LucidPerf. This lets you see what speeds Lucid is downloading, uploading, and reading from the cache app. This can be useful for troubleshooting or seeing if you're taking full advantage of your internet speed or have a bottleneck on your cache. Second place goes to Lucid Cache. This lets you see how much cache space you are using. This can be used to calculate how far you are in a pin operation. By running this command once per minute, you can see how fast your local cache is filling up. Then, you can use that data to calculate how long a pin operation will take. Currently, there is no download counter in the UI to tell you the progress of the pin operation by data size, so this is the next best way to do it. Tip 5. Lucid has a number of small UI indicators to tell you the status of assets. The up arrow indicates an asset is still uploading on your computer. The circle indicates an asset is still uploading on the origin computer, the original uploader. A pin means an asset is pinned, and a down arrow means the asset is in the process of being pinned. The one you need to watch out for is an orange circle. This means an asset is taking an unusually long amount of time to upload to Lucid. Usually the issue is the origin computer has gone to sleep or a laptop was taken outside of Wi-Fi range. Luckily, the solution is seamless. Once the origin computer is back online, the upload will resume automatically with no user input. So, those have been 5 tips and tricks for using Lucid. If you have others people need to know about, leave them in the comments below. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for more content on remote video editing workflows. See you next time.